The Three Gorges Dam is a hydroelectric gravity dam that spans the Yangtze River by the town of Sanduping in Yiling District, Yicheng, Hebei Province, China.
As of right now, the Three Gorges Dam is operational, measuring 7,661 feet long and 185 feet above sea level. This gravity dam has been responsible with displacing large parts of the population, making the population surrounding the dam around 35,000 people in 2007. Sanduping's economic earnings primarily come from agriculture and shipping of vessels services. In terms of describing the major relevant characteristics of the Three Gorges Dam, it is currently the world's largest hydropower project, and the reservoir is over 600 kilometers long. The dam was originally supported by Mao Zedong, but it was not completed in his lifetime. It took 17 years to build and was opened in 2003. It was fully completed in 2006, however. The dam has displaced more than 1 million people and flooded 13 cities, 140 towns, 1,350 villages. In terms of the ecological and economic services that the Three Gorges Dam provide, as the world's largest hydropower project, it generates 22,500 megawatts. The dam has also helped prevent dangerous flooding downstream that claimed hundreds of lives annually. The improved navigability has also allowed for bigger ships to sail the river, improving China's trade. The Three Gorges Dam has also been closely correlated with being able to support irrigation as well as increasing shipping on the Yangtze River.
Three Gorges Dam is currently facing multiple problems. One problem is the increased danger of earthquakes and landslides. The reservoir sits on two major faults, which some scientists believe causes fault activity to increase, creating earthquakes. Landslides are believed to be linked to the drastic filling and draining of the reservoir. Another problem the dam is facing is pollution. Waste is currently being dumped into the river from cities and businesses, potentially endangering 57 plant species. The dam is also causing water displacement. Some areas are flooding, whereas others are receiving reduced water flow. For example, cities downstream have faced a severe drought. Some speculate this may be due to the dam changing regional water tables. The pollution of the Yangtze River is a good indicator of the state of the Three Gorges Dam. The dam submerges part of the sewer system, wastewater treatment, and dump sites. There is 25 billion tons of industrial and sewage waste in the Yangtze River annually. Another important factor is the biodiversity of the wildlife. The Three Gorges area accounts for 20% of China's seed plants and 177 unique plant species. This wildlife is being threatened due to the dam's pollution and water displacement. Since the dam has been built, fault activity has increased. 7 months after the water was increased in 2006, the area experienced 822 tremors. 25 species of fish are also endangered due to the reservoir fragmenting water networks, isolating the fish and making it hard for them to survive. Eutrophication has also greatly increased and erosion, leading the riverbanks to collapsing. These greatly stress the water quality.
In April 1992, China's National People's Congress formally approved the resolution on the construction of the Yangtze River Three Gorges project, making the conclusion of decades of controversy within the Chinese leadership in favor of supporters of the world's biggest ever river dam project. Despite strenuous government attempts to muzzle the debate, almost one-third of the normally compliant NPC delegates, in an unprecedented display of legislative dissent, either abstained or cast opposition votes. However, in early 1994, the full resettlement program began in earnest. By mid-year, excavation and preparation of the dam's foundations were underway at Sanduping, the chosen dam site.
Global climate change can affect the Three Gorges Dam. As temperatures rise, the water absorbs heat and the exchange of energy from neighboring areas to the water is enhanced. This energy exchange between the reservoir and the neighboring areas could cause the atmospheric structure to be unstable, which could then create a change in precipitation patterns and a change in geographical distribution of precipitation. Recovery is possible but will not fully solve the problem. Some techniques that are planning on being used for remediation include using a buffer belt to reduce contamination and improve water quality of the Yangtze River.